Today we're going to show you how to calculate tax. We've logged into our GoTax Calculator account, and from the main menu we're going to select and start with 2013. This takes you to the data input screen. The IRS form number, line number, and a description has been provided, and then in the amount column these are where we're going to input our amounts. Our first step in how to calculate tax is to select our filing status. And in this case you can see there are 5 statuses, and we've chosen the married filing jointly. Next, you will input the number of exemptions claimed. This would be 1 for each dependent. As we scroll down a little further, we're going to get to our adjusted gross income. There are several items that are included here. So the first, which is most common to everybody, is wages, salaries, bonuses, and tips. Next, we have interest income, which would come from your banking institution or certificates of deposit, and ordinary dividends, which are included on Schedule B. There are several other items that you can input. If you're a sole proprietor, you would have business income or loss. And then capital gains or loss are input from Schedule D, and we've included $250. For the rest of the items, you can see some of them are applicable to you depending on your situation. IRA distributions, pensions, and Social Security benefits would be for our retirees or our senior workers. After we've done with income, we're going to scroll down and we're going to look at next our deductions. You have a choice of selecting either the standard deduction, which is a fixed amount that the government provides, or itemized deductions if you believe that they are in excess of your standard deductions. In our example here, we're assuming that this is a household that owns their own property and lives in a state that has state and local taxes. So we've input amounts for state and local, real estate taxes, and interest paid, which would be on your mortgage. In addition, most people have charitable contributions, and we've inputted amount there. Once you're done with the deduction portion, you're going to work down to the capital gains and input your net capital gain, short, long, or any capital gains distributions that you may have. Now, to be complete and make sure that this is 100% accurate, you're also going to want to look at the alternative minimum tax input. And this is coming from Form 6251. Now, note that most of these items are not common to many taxpayers, but a few of them are, such as Line 4, home mortgage interest adjustment, or state and local tax refunds. We've included all of them here, but most of them, once again, are not applicable. So once we complete the data input, we're going to then move to the next screen by clicking on Next. And this is a quick tax summary. And what it does is it actually shows you your data inputs from the screen before to make sure that they're appropriate, as well as identify any tax exemption amounts. There are 2 columns, one for regular tax and one for AMT. And the AMT provides the difference. In this example, there is no AMT or alternative minimum tax. Then we're going to click Next. And this sheet is actually going to tell you what your total tax owed is. In this example, it would be $7,346. And what we've done is broken that down between the various tax categories. So tax rates on capital gains and dividends are different than ordinary income. And we've broken that down. And these, for this example, are all the new 2013 tax brackets. Once again, we've shown the difference between regular tax and alternative minimum tax, just in case that you do get caught in the AMT. And as we scroll down to the bottom, we've also provided the 2013 federal tax tables for your reference. Next, we're going to click on Federal Withholding Calculator, which also is our tax refund calculator. So from the previous screen, we had an amount of $73.46 of total income tax due. We then look at our paycheck and our withholdings and note that we've withheld $9,850 to date. So what we do is we then move down and the system automatically calculates, and in this example this family is going to get a tax refund of $25.04. So hopefully we showed you how to calculate tax. The GoTax calculator will make your taxes and life easier and help you save money. Thank you.